Now, I'd like to talk about how to maintain a new customer. Whether you are migrating from other system or a new user or an existing user, all you have to do is go to Customer, Maintain Customer, and perhaps you will have a blank list here, or you have already an existing list here. Then all you have to do is first key in the customer name. So in this instance, we will use this customer called DHL. As you can see, once you key in DHL, you will see that here there is already a numbering 300D001. However, if we use another customer called XYZ, you will see that the number has changed to X001. So let's do this, XYZ company. And further, you can of course set it whether it's a trade debtor or sundry debtor. If you have preset in your chart of account, you can select it under different customer category. If you do create different customer category, for example, wholesaler. Once you create it using the 3 dots, you'll be able to select wholesale and of course the address 1234 Jalan or road 1234, and which area, maybe a zip code, and of course a state, maybe in Selangor, Mr. Ali, and perhaps this is Mr. Ali's phone number, and of course you can also input Ali's handphone number. Now what if there is other branch address that XYZ company has? You can add a new branch address, and there is no limit of how many branches you can create. So over here, I'm going to add a new branch address in Puchong 1234, as you can see here. And of course, who is in charge in Puchong? Mr. Ahmad. And other details, as again, unlimited, and of course the email address. Alright, there you go. Further to other details include where you can add area. If you don't see any areas, by design the system will give you a 4-, and that is the default account. You can of course add, for example, or using your zip code or postcode is also allowable. If you do that, then you would have a new area called Puchong, and of course sales agent and currency. The terms you can select, add the terms you want, the credit limit, whether you allow this customer XYZ to exceed credit limit, whether you choose to open item for a statement or brought forward statement for this particular customer, and all the other details. And then of course you can add in any additional note of business nature or registration, but there is also the all important GST number in there that you need to input from now onwards. If it's an export customer, you can always choose it as an export so that there is no GST involved. Save it, and that's it. You have done one customer, XYZ. You can add second, third, fourth, and fifth.